Hello clarinets, and this is the video for the concert B flat scale. So we're going to scroll to the concert B flat scale, which is right here. So I'm going to move my little picture over here. Everything is natural. Yay. Okay. Start on C, D, E, F, G, A, blue B, or inside B, right? Red C. And then the second octave is my favorite. This is a lot like concert E flat or RF. It is just lift a finger, lift a finger. Watch. Here's your C on that third space. Every time you lift a finger, you're just adding another letter. C, lift a finger. D, lift a finger. E, lift a finger. F, lift a finger. G, lift a finger. A, lift a finger. B, lift a finger. C. And ignore that last little D there. That was a typo. So we're going to ignore that. We are literally lifting a finger. This is an awesome scale. So the first part, all notes that you know, notes you've been playing forever. Then the second octave is just lifting your fingers. C, lift a finger, 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 lift a finger. And we're on C, high C now. All right, guys, as always, play the fingering chart first. If you get that weird ghost sound, think about that angry cat, high tongue in the back, spin your air through the clarinet, play it loud and proud, and keep a good, firm embouchure, all right? Make sure you memorize these notes, okay? If you're only ever thinking about 5 fingers, 4 fingers, but you're not attaching it to the letter name, you're never going to really learn those letters, okay? Now, here is our C. I can't move my little, there we go. And I have included some of the notes that maybe you need to review on. You should write in the letter names of the high notes that you need help with. Other than that, everything is natural. This is a really fun one. All right, guys, enjoy. Have a fun time practicing.